Hello students, in this video lecture you are going to learn very important part from the chapter sets, that is subsets. Now what is subset? Subset is also a set but is a subset. Subset means minor set, means chota set. Let us take an example. Consider the set A from element 1, 2, 3 so on up to 10 and B set as 1, 2, 4, 7. Now I know that every element of B comes from the set A, that is every element of B is also an element of A. This means B is a subset of A. B is a subset of A. This means B एक छोटा set है A set का. That is B is a subset of A. Mathematically I can write this as B subset A. This is a symbol for subset. Subset of. I can read this as subset of. Is a subset of. B is a subset of A. Let us take one more example. Consider the set X as set of all students in your school. Set of all students in your school, and set Y as set of all students in your class. Right? Now I can easily say that every student from your class is also a student in your school. So I can say that Y is a subset of X. Y is a subset of X. Right? So I can say that a set A is said to be a subset of A set B if every element of A is also an element of B. This means if A is a subset of B, and let us consider one element from the set A, that is A element belongs to A. Now remember one thing, this is a symbol for subset, this is a symbol belongs to. I have earlier told this to you, belongs to. Always put subset when you write any set here, right? And you remember this thing that you must place an element before you put belongs to, because belongs to cannot be placed for a set. For a set you must put subset symbol, and for an element, that element belongs to set, then you need to put belongs to here. Now if A is a subset of B and there is one element A which belongs to A, capital A set, this means that this element must belong to B set as well, because A is a subset of B. That means every element of A is also an element of B. That means if small a is an element of capital A, then small a must be the element of capital B. Clear? Question is, consider the sets phi A 1, 3, B 1, 5, 9, C 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. You need to insert the symbol either belongs to, subset, not subset, or does not belongs to. Remember one thing more, that is If A is a subset of B, then we need to put this symbol, and if A is not a subset of B, then we will put this symbol. This means not a subset of, is not a subset of. Symbolically we can place this symbol for not subset, and this is for subset, right? Now first question is phi, second is A, third is AC, and fourth is BC. Now this is one very basic result, that every set is a subset of itself. हर सेट अपने आप का सबसेट होएगा, एंड phi is also a subset of every set. Phi means null set, empty set. Empty set is also a subset of every set. Now here it is phi set, that is empty set. It is a subset of every set. So it is a subset of A, it is a subset of B, it is a subset of C. So I can put subset sign here. In the second part, I need to check A and B. 1 belongs to A and 1 belongs to B. Okay. 3 belongs to A, but 3 does not belong to B. So it is not a subset of B, because 3 belongs to A, but 3 does not belongs to B. In the third part, 1 A and C. 1 belongs to A as well as C, 3 belongs to A as well as C, so I need to put subset. And in B and C, 1 belongs to B, 1 belongs to C, 5 belongs to B, 5 belongs to C, 9 belongs to B, 9 belongs to C. So it is a... Let us do one question from the exercise. Question number 3rd. Let A set as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My question is, which of the following statements are incorrect and why? Which are incorrect and why? There are some parts. So I'm going to write all the parts here. 3, 4 subset of A. Second part, 3, 4 belongs to A. Third part, 3, 4 again bracket subset of A. Fourth part, 1 belongs to A. Fifth part, 1 subset of A. Sixth part, 1, 2, 5 subset of A. Seventh part, 1, 2, 5 belongs to A. Eighth part, 1, 2, 3 subset of A. Ninth part, 5 belongs to A. 10th part, 5 subset of A. 11th part, 5 subset of A. As I have told you earlier that I can write 1, as 1 is an element of A, so I can write 1 belongs to A. Right? I can write 1 belongs to A because 1 is an element of A. Right? And if I put curly brackets here, that means 1 is a subset. Right? Subset of A. So I can place this symbol here. If I take 1 without brackets, that means it is an element. So for element I need to put belongs to here. That means 1 is an element of A. 1 belongs to A. But if I place curly braces for the element 1, that means 1 has become a set. It is a set. For set I need to put the symbol for the subset. That is 1 is a subset of A. Clear? Similar for 2, similar for 5. But for 3, 4, if I write 3, 4 with bracket as it is, then think what should be placed here, what should be placed here. And if I write 3 4 as this, then what should be placed here? Now if I compare 1 with bracket 3 4, that means they are same. If 1 is an element of A, then my 3 4 with single bracket is also an element of set A. So I can put here subset, because this is an element, because there is the bracket, inbuilt bracket in the function, it is given, so it is an element. But if I place one more bracket, now this 3 4 with one bracket behaves like this simple one, and this bracket will make it a set. So if it is a set, then I need to put here a bracket for the subset. Now it has become a subset. This is a subset. Clear? Similarly, I can do all the 11 parts. Now it is easy for you to check it has written correctly or not. It has been written correctly or not. For 3 4 with single bracket, I need to put belongs to, but here it is subset, so it is incorrect, it is wrong, right? It is not correct. Not correct. Because why it is not correct? Because there must be belongs to here. In the second part it is correct, this is correct. In the third part it is also correct. I have told you here 1 belongs to A, correct. 1 is a subset of A. Now 1 is without bracket, so it is false. 1 2 and 5, 1 2 and 5 with single bracket, this means it is a subset, right? It is a subset, so it is correct. 1 2 5 with bracket is belongs to A? No, it does not belongs to A, because it is a set, so it is not belongs to, it is subset of A. Next 1 2 3, this is wrong, because 3 cannot be placed without 4, because 3 4 is taken always collectively. I cannot separate 3 with 4, because here is a collective function in the given set A. Now 5 belongs to A? No, 5 is not an element of A, but 5 is a subset of A, because 5 set is always a subset of every set. So here it is correct. 10th part is correct, but 9th part is not correct. Even 11th part is not correct, because it means that 5 is an element which I have make it a subset by placing bracket, and it has become a subset. So this is wrong, because this is possible only if there is 5 in the set A is given, right? So you can easily check which symbol to use, either subset or belongs to, not subset or does not belongs to. Now one very basic result about natural numbers: integers, rational numbers, irrational numbers, real numbers, and complex numbers. Can you arrange them according to their order? All know that every natural number is also an integer, so I can put subset here. And every integer is also a rational number, because I can make it a rational number by putting 1 in the denominator. I can write 5 as 5 over 1, so it has become a rational number. So I can put belongs to a subset symbol here. But every rational number is not an irrational number, because irrational numbers are like under root 2, under root 3, right? So it is not a subset of irrationals. But these 4 are subset of real numbers. Yes, these 4 are also real numbers, so I can put subset here. And every real number is also a complex number, because I can write every number as a plus 0 iota. So every real number is also a complex number, so I can put symbol here, right? Now there is one question for you. Solve this question and send me the answers in the comment section. If I take A set as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, my first part is 2 belongs to A. You need to write which of the following are correct or incorrect. Which of the following are correct? Second part is 2 belongs to A. Third part is 2 belongs to A. Fourth is 2 subset of A. Fifth is 2 with bracket subset of A. Sixth is 2 with this subset of A. Seventh is 3, 4, 5 belongs to A. 8 is 3, 4, 5 belongs to A. Ninth is 3, 4, 5 subset of A. 10th is 3, 4, 5, 10 subset of A. Solve this question and send me the answers in the comment section. Okay, thank you.